Stop building boring login forms. In this video, we're going to build this stunning, modern, and fully functional create account page from scratch using only HTML, CSS. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're building a project that's perfect for your portfolio. We'll cover some of the hottest design trends, including black glassmorphism for that slick, frosted glass look, a dark mode theme, and a cool autoplay video background. But it's not just about looks. We'll use JavaScript to create switchable tabs for candidate and employer forms, and we'll even add the essential show hide password feature. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a complete, responsive, and professional-looking component that will impress anyone who sees it. The full code will be linked in the description, so you can follow along. Look at what we've built. A beautiful, responsive, and interactive registration page using just the fundamentals. This is the kind of project that really elevates a portfolio. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more front-end tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to build next. All the source code is on my GitHub, linked right below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.